Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear student? I think you all are well. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam. Welcome to my class of my institution, Can Public School and College Suitpur. Today, I will solve some math. Before solving some math, I will determine one formula: the sum of the square of first n natural numbers. You know 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n terms, that is the sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. With the help of this, I will find the sum of square of first n natural numbers. To determine the sum of square of first n natural numbers, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square n square. This is equal to n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Okay. Let Sn is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. We know r minus 1 cube is equal to r cube minus 3r square plus 3r minus 1, or 3r square minus 3r plus 1 is equal to r cube r minus 1 cube. Therefore, we can write here r cube r minus 1 cube is equal to 3r square minus 3r plus 1. Here, this is very important things. S suffix n is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot 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 n square. This is needed for prove it. I am writing here r cube r minus 1 cube is equal to 3r square minus 3r plus 1. Putting r is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 dot dot dot. If we put r is equal to 1 and 1 cube here, 0 cube, 3 into 1 square, 3 into 1 plus 1, 2 cube minus 1 cube, 2 square, 3 minus 2 plus 1, 3 cube, here this will be 2 cube, 3 square, 3 into 3 plus 1. If we write r is equal to n, then we get here n cube minus n minus 1 cube is equal to 3 into n square 1. By adding we get here 1 cube will cut, 2 cube will cut, 3 cube, like this will cut. Then we get here n cube minus 0 cube, that is 0. If we take common here 3, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square. Here if we take common also 3, then we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot 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 n. How many number of 1 here? You know there are n numbers of 1. So sum of n numbers of 1, this will be n, or n cube 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot n square is equal to, you know, s suffix n, 3 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot dot n. This is equal to, you know, n into n plus 1 by 2. I have n, or 3 s suffix n, this will be n cube 3n into n plus 1 by 2 minus n. Or 3 s suffix n, n cube. Now I multiply 3n by n plus 1, this will be 3n square plus 3n by 2 minus n, or 3 s suffix n. If we do LCM, then we get here 2n cube plus 3n square plus 3n minus 2n, or 3sn 2n cube plus 3n square plus n divided by 2, or I will find 2 factor using this 3 factor. First I will take common 2n square plus 3n plus 1 n. By using middle term, we get here 2n square plus 2n plus n plus 1, 2. If we take common n, then we get here n plus 1. If we take common 1, then n plus 1, or n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 2, that is s suffix n. This is equal to n plus 1, 2n plus 1. These 3 will multiply with 2, then we get here 6. So this is the sum of square of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. I am writing some necessary formula for this chapter. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus n. This is equal to n plus 1 by 2, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus n square, n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube, that n cube. This will be n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. These three formula very important. So dear student, you will memorize these three formula. I'll solve one sum. I'm writing this first. Here 15. What is the sum of the first 12 terms of the series log 2 log 16 plus log 512. Here log 2 log 16 log 512 up to 12 terms there. 12 terms. Log 2. If we take common here, sorry, log, can write this 2 to the power 4 log 2 to the power 9 up to 12 terms here. Log 2, according to rules of logarithm, we can write this 4 into log 2, 9 into log 2 up to 12 terms. If we take common log 2, then we get here 1, 4, 9 up to 12 terms. Log 2. Here we can write here 1 square, 2 square, 3 square up to 12 terms, that is 12 square. This will be, we know 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dot dot n square is equal to n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. So according to this, here number of terms 12. So I'll write here. First I am writing this formula n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Here n, this will be 12. So log 2 multi 12 plus 1 into 12 plus 1 by 6. Here 6 and 12 will cut, then we get log 2 plus 1 13 25. Log 2 26 and 25, we know 26 and 25 multiply 52 0 650 log 2. So this is the answer of these questions. Thanks for watching my class.